Okay, so we are going to continue our lesson, Kong. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to, what is this in letter A? Notice.
Notice the different ways we describe the compare people's personalities.
A personalities. Okay, so in describing someone's personality, these words, there's group of words, you may use this, right?
Okay.
Okay, please read my.
My sister is friendly.
Comparing personalities, she is.
She is very friendly like me.
She is. Next.
She is very shy.
Her
We're both shy.
is.
Um,
What's next?
she's really serious.
Next.
She's serious, but I'm not.
Next.
She isn't very patient. I'm
I'm.
very patient. She is patient at all.
Alright, so those are the personalities of every person or any person. So how about you, Kong? How would you describe your personality? Are
Um,
you are you
I'm
friendly?
friendly.
Okay, and then what else?
Um, um, I am.
Okay, are you shy or not?
I'm not shy.
Very good. Okay, any words that best describe you? Are you serious, patient, funny, or confident?
I am confident.
Okay. All right, so that's all. Thank you, Kong. So we are now in letter B, pair work. Take turns describing and comparing personalities of people you know. Use the ideas below. So example here, there are words here. Please read.
A little shy, funny and confident, quiet and
Yes.
serious, not patient at all.
All right, so there is one example. In letter A, my cousin Adam is a little shy sometimes. Your reply? So,
Are you?
okay. All right, so you are going to describe and compare personalities of people you know. Let's say, for example, your brother, your sister, your friends, your cousins, like that. So just choose, just choose the people you know.
Um,
Think of the people you know.
um, mm,
Okay, do you have a friend, a best friend?
uh, yes.
Okay,
Which,
so you, yeah, all right. So think first, okay?
um, um, Mm, my friend Duke is not pension at all.
So how about you?
Um, I I
I
am
am.
I am not patient at all.
Okay. So what else? What else? Personalities
Um,
does
I'm
your
not
friend?
patient at all. Mm,
Oh yeah. All right. So very good, Gong. And now we're going to and number four, the listening part. All right. So are you ready to listen?
yes.
Yes. But before that, are these personalities positive or negative? So you you going to say P for positive or N for negative. Okay, so I will read or you will read the word and after that you will say if it is positive or P for positive and for negative. Okay, what's this for number one? What is your answer?
Um,
Calm.
is um positive.
How about number two? What is number two words?
Uh,
Word, I mean.
positive.
Okay, this is positive. And number three.
Is positive.
Okay. And number four.
Generous. Positive.
How about number five?
Um, is positive.
All right, so we will check your answer. All right.
Okay.
Again. All right. Again, are these personalities positive or negative? So, in number one, what word is this?
Cam.
Okay, calm. It is positive. Oh, sorry. It is positive. In number two, what word is this?
Um,
This one.
creative.
Okay, so it is positive. And number three?
Um, is powerful.
Okay, forgetful. What do you think is forgetful? It is positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay, but the correct answer for this is negative, okay?
Okay.
Yes, that is negative because forgetful is somewhat like you forgot something. Like, okay, and number four, what word is this?
Um,
Jenny,
gen
general.
generous. General.
Okay,
Positive.
positive. Yes, in number five.
Strict. Positive.
All right, but the correct answer here is negative. Okay, so you've got a 3 over 5 here. Okay, not bad. It's good also. All right, so in letter B, we are going to what is in the letter B, Kong?
Listen Mick and Katie are talking about the people below. Check the words that describe the person's personality, then compare your answers with a partner.
Okay, so listen. Mick and Katie are talking about the people below. Check the words that describe the person's personality, then compare your answers with a partner. Alright, so I will play this audio, and after that, you're going to compare your answers with a partner. Okay? 29. It's 29. Okay. 29. Okay. For a minute. One. Are you ready to listen?
Page
Yes,
25. Listening. B. Listen. Mick and Katie are talking about the people below. Check the words that describe the person's personality. 1.
How is your new math teacher, Katie?
Mr. Lewis? Well, he's friendly, but very serious. Oh, he's also patient. I need that in a teacher.
Is he strict?
No, not at all.
He sounds like a good teacher.
Yeah, he is.
Okay, so number one, what is the name of the teacher or who is
uh,
the teacher?
Mr. Lewis.
Okay, Mr. Louise or
Lew-
Louis. Yes,
Lewis.
so what are the personalities of Mr. Louis?
Friendly and serious.
Okay, I will check your answers. Friendly, serious, what else?
Um, Only serious and friendly.
That's all, the two?
Yes.
Or, okay, all right. So let's proceed to number two.
2.
Did you talk to that new girl in our class? You know, the one from Australia?
Vanessa? Oh, sure.
What's she like?
Well, she doesn't say very much at all. She's pretty quiet.
So she's not very friendly.
I'm not sure. She's new to this school. She's just shy.
I think I'll talk to her. She needs some friends.
Okay, so for number two, what is the name of the girl?
Vanessa.
Vanessa is what? What is her personality? Or personality is?
Um, is she's quiet and shy.
Okay, number three.
Um,
Wait for a minute.
3.
We'll just listen
What do
first.
you think of my cousin Joey?
He sure is funny,
That's Joey, all right.
but he's kind of forgetful. I told him my name was Katie, but he called me Kathy twice.
My name is Mick, but he calls me Mike all the time. Still, he's a great guy.
Let's all go out again sometime.
Okay, all right. So, what is the name of the number through three?
can I listen again?
Oh yes.
He sure is funny.
That's Joey. Think of my cousin Joey.
He sure is funny,
That's Joey, all right.
but he's kind of forgetful. I told him my name was Katie, but he called me Kathy twice.
My name is Mick, but he calls me Mike all the time. Still, he's a great guy.
Let's all go out again sometime.
Okay, so what is the personality or personalities of Joey?
Funny and calm.
Funny and
Calm.
calm. Okay, so we will check these answers of yours. But before that, we will going to listen again so that we can hear if it is the right personality of each person. Okay?
Okay.
Page 25. Listening. B. Listen. Mick and Katie are talking about the people below. Check the words that describe the person's personality. 1.
How is your new math teacher, Katie?
Mr. Lewis? Well, he's friendly, but very serious. Oh, he's also patient. I need that in a teacher.
Is he strict?
No,
Okay, Kong. Mr. Lewis has three personalities. And then you answer the first one, friendly, that is correct. And you answer the serious one. But also, Mr. Lewis is patient. Okay? Do you understand? Hello? Kong, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so let's proceed with the number 2.
at all.
He sounds like a good teacher.
Yeah, he is.
2.
Did you talk to that new girl in our class? You know, the one from Australia?
Vanessa? Oh, sure.
What's she like?
Well, she doesn't say very much at all. She's pretty quiet.
So she's not very friendly.
I'm not sure. She's new to this school. She's just shy.
I think I'll talk to her. She needs some friends.
Okay, so for number 2, Vanessa,
He's
her
quiet
personalities
and
are shy and
quiet.
quiet. Yes, because Vanessa is a new student of their school. Alright, so let's proceed with the number 3 for Joey. I will just play the audio.
3.
What do you think of my cousin Joey?
He sure is funny,
That's Joey, all right.
but he's kind of forgetful. I told him my name was Katie, but he called me Kathy twice.
My name is Mick, but he calls me Mike all the time. Still, he's a great guy.
Let's all go out again sometime.
Alright, so for Joey, her or his personalities are funny and forgetful. So that is not the correct answer. Alright, so you've got only the correct answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 over 8. Okay, Kong, I will give you a I'll give you a clap. Alright, very good. Okay. So let's continue. What is in the letter A? Please read, Kong.
What kind of personalities
Do you
do you
think?
think these people need? Write two words for each person.
Okay. So in letter A, we are now in speak with confidence. In letter A, what kind of personalities do you think these people need? Write two words for each person. Okay. Let's say, for example, a babysitter. A babysitter. So what is or what are the two personalities that this babysitter need? Okay, I will give you one. Okay, like that. Okay, next.
Um, um,
Okay, there's an example here, Kong. Look at the example.
uh, friendly,
Okay. Okay, number 2, a parent.
patient,
Next.
and and um,
What, or you can tell what are the personalities of your parents.
um,
Like this. These are the personalities of each person.
um, funny,
Okay, funny. Okay, how about a best friend?
a best friend, um, um, conf, um, um,
You
funny,
can, yes, you can repeat your answers if you want. Okay,
um,
another personality word.
mm,
A best friend.
um, uh, friendly,
Okay, last is a teacher.
creative,
Creative. Okay, next.
patient,
Okay, so I will just check your answer now. So for a babysitter, your answers are, first is, please read your answer for a babysitter. Pay.
patient,
Okay, next word.
friendly,
Okay, very good. How about the parent? A parent.
patient,
And then,
funny,
how about a best friend?
funny,
And
friendly,
in the teacher.
um, creative, patient.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Kong, you've got a perfect score. 8/8. Alright, so what do you learn or what have you learned today or tonight from our class? I learned. You can say I learned.
I learned, mm,
Okay, you can say this word. I
I
learned
learned the different
the.
ways we describe the compare people's personalities.
Okay, very good. Alright. And then, alright, so there are what kinds of personality?
Positive and negative.
Okay, so can you give two positive personalities? Two
Uh,
positive personalities.
creative
And
and generous.
okay, how about two negative personalities?
Forgetful and strict.
Okay, very good, Kong. So I hope you learned our lesson this evening. So see you again next time. Good night. Bye bye.
Have a good night.
Bye.